Hello there, in this video I will demonstrate how to create and upload audio in Roblox. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Let's dive right into it. To begin, go to the top of the Roblox website and click on Create in the navigation bar. If you haven't created before, you'll see a banner with a button saying Start Creating. Below that, click on Manage My Experiences. This will take you to the development page on roblox.com. Make sure My Creations is selected and then click on Audio below. You'll find it listed about halfway down. Audio uploads are now free and you'll have a certain number of uploads depending on your account. If you don't have an audio file yet, you'll need to record or download one. The file must be in .mp3 or .ogg format. If it's in a different format, you can easily convert it using online tools or software like Audacity. Select the audio file you want to upload, give it a name, and click Upload. Once uploaded, you'll see a list of your audio files. To use the audio in Roblox Studio or elsewhere, click on the ID located in the URL bar after library/ and copy it. You can then paste the asset ID wherever you want to use it. If you found this guide helpful, please leave a like.